In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your email to streamline your scheduling process and enhance your professional communication. This simple yet effective integration can save you countless hours by automating your meeting scheduling, allowing your clients or colleagues to book time with you directly from their inbox. So let's dive in and see how you can set this up in just a few easy steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Calendly's homepage. You can easily find Calendly by searching online or by typing calendly.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, reflecting the hassle-free experience Calendly aims to provide when it comes to scheduling. Now that you're on Calendly's website, it's time to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently displayed, inviting you to access your dashboard. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an account, now would be a good time to create one, as it's an essential step in this process. In the interest of simplicity and security, I recommend using the Continue with Google option for logging in. It streamlines the process by linking your Calendly account with your Google account, which is particularly handy if you plan to integrate your scheduling with Google services like Gmail or Google Calendar. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the account you wish to use. Assuming you have more than one Google account, make sure you pick the one that's most appropriate for your professional scheduling needs. This will ensure that all Calendly invitations and confirmations are sent to and from the correct email address. With your Google account selected, you might be prompted to grant Calendly certain permissions, like access to your calendar and the ability to send emails on your behalf. These permissions are necessary for the full functionality of Calendly's integration, allowing it to check your availability and send booking confirmations automatically. Now, with the permissions granted, you're back in the Calendly dashboard. Here, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Take a moment to explore. You'll notice options for setting up new events, customizing your availability, and so on. But for our current purpose, you'll need to direct your attention to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where the magic of integrating Calendly into your email begins. In the Integrations and Apps area, you're going to want to search for Gmail, as we're focusing on embedding Calendly into your email. This search will bring up a few options, but you're looking for Gmail for workflows. It's a powerful feature that allows you to include Calendly links straight into your Gmail messages, creating a seamless experience for both you and your email recipients. Once you've found Gmail for workflows, go ahead and click on Connect Gmail. This step links your Gmail account with Calendly, enabling the direct embedding of your scheduling link into your Gmail messages. You'll likely need to confirm your choice of Gmail account here again, especially if you're accessing multiple accounts. Make sure it's the same account you initially selected to keep everything synchronized. After selecting your account, you might see a prompt asking for confirmation to continue. This is just an extra step to ensure that you are indeed authorizing the connection between Calendly and your Gmail account. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be taken through a standard Google authorization process, prompting you to confirm the permissions required for Calendly to interact with your Gmail account effectively. These permissions might include sending emails on your behalf and accessing your Google Calendar for real-time availability updates. Click Continue to grant these permissions, fully enabling the integration. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to your Gmail account, allowing you to embed links to your Calendly scheduling page directly into your emails. This not only makes you look more professional, but also significantly simplifies the scheduling process for both you and your recipients. With this setup, you can say goodbye to the back and forth usually involved in finding a suitable meeting time. Now, whenever you compose an email in Gmail, you'll have the option to insert a link to your Calendly schedule, inviting recipients to book a slot with you at their convenience. Remember, the key to successful scheduling is keeping your Calendly availability updated. Take advantage of this powerful integration to make scheduling meetings as easy as sending an email. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you streamline your scheduling process even further in our next tutorial.